Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, my beautiful family. It's a great evening here in our home place. Just preparing our dinner, simple dinner, as I normally say, simple dinner, simple recipes on our channel. So please, we have our cowpeas. These are the ingredients. We have also our boiled meat. It's just there boiling. So please, we are going to add in cowpeas in our beef. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end. We will be pairing our beef with rice. You can pair it with matoke. You can pair it with sweet potato or posho, ugali. So please stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting your girl. The channel is all about cooking. We do cooking videos every day. Please support the channel grow by subscribing and viewing our simple recipes, Ugandan recipes, African foods, please, from Africaflavahabibk kitchen. Welcome to our kitchen. The recipe is beef and cowpeas mixed. So this is our beef. It's already boiled. We are going to chop it, and then we will be adding our ingredients. It's a beef stew, oil free. Let's prepare our dinner. So this is our beef. We boiled our beef first, then we are going to add in some ingredients. Please stay tuned and watch this video until the end. So this is cowpeas beef mixed with cowpeas, please. Boiled beef stew with cowpeas. So our stew is almost so. Please, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Our stew is now ready. We are going to serve our stew. You can pair your stew with the rice or matoke, ugali, chapati. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Please, this is our stew. You can pair it with chapati, matoke, ugali, rice, any type of food. Please, it can go with this stew. Let's enjoy our video. For the new viewers, please, you subscribe. We have a lot of recipes on this channel, and the channel is all about cooking. We do cooking videos, simple way of cooking with few ingredients we have at home. So please, let's enjoy our day. Beef stew mixed with cowpeas. See you in the next video. Bye bye.